everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the future of image creation with an amazing AI tool called Ideogram. If you're passionate about tech and AI, you're in for a treat. I'm being AI Insan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate stunning AI images using Ideogram in 2024. Make sure to stick around till the end for some pro tips to take your creations to the next level. Let's get started. Introduction to Ideogram. First, let's talk about what Ideogram is. Ideogram is a state-of-the-art AI tool that allows you to create high-quality images with just a few clicks. It uses advanced machine learning algorithms to generate images that can be used for various purposes, from digital art to marketing materials. To get started, head over to Ideogram's website and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Here's how to generate your first AI image. Click on the Create New Image button. You'll see several customization options such as image style, resolution, and more. For this example, we'll choose a futuristic theme and set the resolution to high. One of the coolest features of Ideogram is its ability to understand and interpret complex prompts. You can type in a description of the image you want, and the AI will generate it for you. Let's type in a prompt. Futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars. Hit the generate button and watch the magic happen. Wow, look at that. In just a few seconds, Ideogram has created a stunning image that perfectly matches our description. Pro tips for Ideogram. Now that you've seen how easy it is to create AI images with Ideogram, here are some tips and tricks to get the most out of this tool. 1. Be specific with your prompts. The more detailed your description, the better the AI can generate your desired image. 2. Experiment with styles. Don't hesitate to try different styles and settings to see what works best for your project. 3. Use high-resolution settings. For professional projects, always opt for the highest resolution to ensure your images are crisp and clear. Real-world applications. Ideogram isn't just for fun, it has real-world applications. From creating marketing materials to enhancing digital art, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it. Ideogram is truly a game changer in the world of AI image generation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and tutorials. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep exploring the future of tech.